Hi, I'm Dana Alcantara, an LCSW serving San Diego. Let's talk about how to be your best without stress or codependency. Are you tired and frustrated with the way you overdo or underdo? Perhaps you overdo things in one arena of your life, such as work, and underdo in another arena, perhaps relationships. This is actually a fairly common pattern these days, and it may help explain the amount of loneliness people are feeling. Or do you compulsively give advice and get involved in things that aren't your business, turning off loved ones and friends? Maybe you have someone in your life who's doing this to you and driving you nuts. These are forms of overdoing and could be called codependency. These patterns cause stress for ourselves and others. They do harm and limit our relationships from being what they could be. Do you ever feel frustrated about this and confused about how to make it better? Imagine you could live with more balance, more awareness, and free choice in the important decisions that you make. Imagine being able to function the way you want to do your best without stressing about it. Just imagine your relationships feeling balanced and equal, so you can accept yourself and others as works in progress. So, do you want to take a deep breath and feel what that would actually be like? If you wish, pause the video, take another deep breath, and use the power of imagination to see a positive future for yourself and your relationships. EMDR therapy is a powerful way to clear stress and trauma. If we are stuck in these patterns, most likely they have been role modeled for us, and we have been affected. Perhaps we were raised by an alcoholic or a drug addict or a workaholic who could not be responsible to care for us properly. They were too distracted. Such parents weren't on base for us, so we experienced neglect or even cruelty. This is stress and trauma. EMDR excels in clearing stress and trauma. In fact, the research is so good that the World Health Organization recommends only 2 types of treatments for PTSD. That's the worst stress. And EMDR is one of them. My codependency and imbalanced relationship workshop will address these stresses head on in an amazing confidential group therapy way. After each clearing of a distressful memory with EMDR, we will learn one of the skills of emotional maturity that can overcome or prevent codependency. Past participants have said that the skills aspect is essential. It gives hope and confidence. Wouldn't you like to have more calmness and confidence as you go forward in your life and your relationships? Register now for the Codependency and Imbalanced Relationships 2-day workshop intensive in San Diego at ibetherapy.com. Click on the workshop tab to register. If you want more information, you can click on the relationships tab, where you'll find infographics about my workshops. And if you want even more detailed information, you can go to my YouTube channel at Dana Alcantara and see videos about the other workshops I do. Thank you so much for your interest. I hope to see you at a workshop soon.